Shah from LG Institute of Engineering and Technology from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today I am going to explain you some definitions from the applied statistics from the subject of probability and statistics. The first definition is population. What is population? In a group of units or items or individuals or objects or observation forming a subject matter of statistical investigation of their various characteristics is known as population. It means, suppose if we want to investigate some characteristic of any distribution, then it will be defining by the population. So if we are taking some group of unit and then we have to investigate some characteristic of it, then it will be defining by population. Now the next definition is sampling. What is sampling? Before going to sampling, we will define the sample. What is sample? Sample means a finite subset of a statistical individuals in a population is known as sample. It means if we are taking statistical investigation, some group of investigation or some group of items, then it is considered as samples. And if we are doing the process of drawing the samples, then it is known as sampling. So the process of drawing samples from a given population is known as sampling. Now the next definition is population parameter. So what is population parameter? Suppose if we investigation some statistical approach, in this if we are defining the various parameters, then it will be defining by this population parameter. So which kind of parameters we are defining? Mean, variance, likewise. So if we are defining this parameters for statistical investigation, then it is known as population parameters. So population parameters are defined as statistical constants obtained from a population such as mean, variance are known as population parameters. Now the next definition is sample statistics. What is sample statistics? Statistical constants obtained from a sample drawn such as mean and variance are known as sample statistics. So in the statistics, if we checking the parameters like mean and variance which is drawn from the sample, then it is known as sample statistics. Now the next definition is standard error. Suppose if we are taking some particular standard, based on this if we are checking the variance of it, means how much it will deviate from the standard value, then it will be defining by standard error. So what is standard error? The standard deviation of the sampling distribution of a statistic is known as standard error. Now this all the definition is used basically for the population. So we'll solving some example based on this population. So the first example is a population consisting of 5 members 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. If a random sample of size n equals to 2 is selected, find the sampling distribution of the sample mean. Also find mean of sample means, variance of sample means, population mean and population variance. So if you want to solve this example, first of all we are finding how many total number of samples will be there. So as you know that 5 members are there, right? And n equals to 2 means we have to select a size of 2 samples at the same time. So how many total number of samples? Total number of possible equally likely random samples of size n equals to 2 are 5C2, because from 5 members we have to select 2 members at the same time, right? So from this, if we are defining that 5C2 means group of 2 will selecting, then what is the value of 5C2? We had already this will be seen in the combinations, right? So what is the equation of combination? 5 factorial upon 5 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So what is the value of it? 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. Divide by 5 minus 2 means 3 factorial into 2 into 1. Now this 3 factorial will be cancelled out, 2 will be cancelled out, so 5 into 2 means total number of samples will be 10. So as you know that total number of samples are 10, so we are writing over here as a sample. So we are taking sample as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So for this sample 1 to 10, we will taking the sample units. In the sample units, we are taking a size of 2. From this 5 samples, we are taking a group of 2. So if we are taking a group of 2, suppose if I am taking the first group as 3 and 5, so I will write down like this 3, 5, then 3, 7, 3, 9, 3, 11. Likewise, I will take the different sample units. So the next sample unit is 3, 7, 3, 9, 3, 11, 5, 7, 5, 9, 5, 11, then 7, 9, 7, 11 and 9, 11. So this type of combinations will be there, right? Now if we are finding the sample mean, then its value is x bar. It will be representing like x bar. So what is the sample mean? This one is a sample. So if we are taking the mean value of this, means if we are taking the mean or average value of 3 and 5, then its value equals to 4, right? Same way, if I am taking mean value of this 3 and 7, so 3 plus 7 divided by 2 means 10 divided by 2 means its value equals to 5. Same way, 3 and 9 means 12 divided by 2 means 6. Likewise, I am finding all the other terms. So the values will be like this. Right. Now we have defined the sample mean. From this, we are defining its distribution. So what will be the distribution of it? So sampling distribution of sample mean x bar is x bar equals to x and its frequency f. Right. Now what is the value of x bar equals to x? As we had defined the x bar in the last slide as, you can see that x bar means 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, right? So I will write down it over here. And what is the value of f? Value of f means frequency of it. Suppose if I am taking x bar equals to 6, so what is the frequency of it? 6 is come here and here. Means its frequency is 2. Same way if I am taking 7, so 7 is occurring here and here. So its frequency equals to 2. Likewise, I am finding frequency of each and every term. So first of all, I am writing the value of x bar equals to x. Its value is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now if I am finding the value of frequency of this, it will occur in 1 times. So 4, 5 has 1, 1, 6, 7 is 2, 2, 8 is 2 and 9, 10 is 1, 1. It will occur in 1 time, right? Now the next point we have to find is mean of sample means. So what is mean of sample means? Its value is x bar, and what is the value of it? Its value is summation f into x bar upon summation f. So what is the value of summation f into x bar? F into x bar means multiplication of this 2 divided by summation of this. So if I am writing like this, then it will be also representing as x bar equals to x. So instead of this x bar, I am taking x. So the term is summation f into x upon summation f, right? So if I am taking this value, then you can see that 4 into 1 plus 5 into 1 plus 6 into 2 plus 7 into 2 plus 8 into 2 plus 9 into 1 plus 10 into 1 divided by the summation of this frequency means 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. So if I am finding the value of this, then the answer of this equals to 70 divided by answer of it equals to 10. So 7 divided by 10 means 70 divided by 10 means 7. So this one is the mean value of sample means. Now we have to find out the variance of sample means. So what is the value of variance of sample means? Its value equals to summation f into x minus x bar whole square upon summation f, right? Now if I am finding the value of x minus x bar and then we're taking square of it, what will be the value of it? As you know that this one is x bar, right? So its value is 7. And what is the value of x? X equals to 4. So 4 minus 7 means minus 3, 5 minus 7 means minus 2, 6 minus 7 means minus 1. Likewise, I will finding each and every term. And in the denominator, what is the value of summation f? Summation f means this value and its value equals to 10, right? So I am writing this value. So the next term is, I am writing like this, summation f into this. So what is the value of f? For the first term, the value is 1 into 4 minus 7 means minus 3 its square plus 1 into minus 2 square plus 2 into minus 1 square plus 2 into 0 plus 2 into 1 square plus 1 into 2 square plus 1 into 3 square divided by 10. Right. Now if I am simplifying this term, then answer of it equals to 30 divided by 10 and its value equals to 3. So this way we can find out variance of sample mean. Now the next thing we have to find out is population mean. What is the value of population mean? Its value is mu. And what is the value of population mean? How will defining population mean? The number of samples you are given. Which number of samples are given to you? From the example you are given that the 5 samples are there. 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11, right? So if I am taking average of this, then it will gives you population mean, means average of 8. So as this one is 5 samples, so divide by 5. So if I am finding the value of this, then its value equals to 7. Now if you want to find out population variance, then how are you finding? Population variance is defining as sigma square and value of it equals to, this one is samples, right? And this one is the mean value, so we are taking the difference of these two and then we are finding the square of it. So 3 minus 7 means minus 4 square plus 5 into 5 minus 7 means minus 2 square plus 7 minus 7 means 0 square means 0 plus 9 minus 7 means 2 square and last one is 11 minus 7 means 4 square. Divided by total number of samples means 5. So if I am finding the value of this, then the answer of it equals to 8. So this way we can find out the population mean, population variance, mean value of sample means and variance of the sample means. In the next session I will explain you about hypothesis. Thank you so much.